Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about given year is a leap year or not. Okay. First we check the condition. First I take one year. Okay. E, e year is perfectly divisible by 4. Set perfect divisible by 4 and else not divisible by 4. Not divisible by 4, it's a not a leap year. Not a leap year. Inside that year, if year is divisible by 4, let's check the two conditions. One condition is if year is perfectly divisible by 400. It's a leap year. Leap year. Why? Because of 2000 is a leap year. After that 2400 is a leap year. 2100 and 2200, 2300 are not a leap year. So that's why I take 2400 is a leap year. So that's why there is a 4 year is divisible by 400. If 2100, 2200 are not is not a leap year. So that's why I write one condition here. If year not divisible by 100, not divisible by 100, it's a leap year. Leap year. For example, 2016. Here it is divisible by 400. 4. Check is divisible by 400 or not. It's not divisible by 400. Check one more condition is divisible by 100 or not. It's not divisible by 100. So it's a leap year. Okay. Next year is else condition. After that else if both condition is not satisfied, else condition into J into else condition. Else condition is not a leap year. Okay. I resolve. Yeah. I first here enter Eclipse. I take a one class. Class name is leap year class year. Okay, here first take a leap year. Let's say integer. Here is the integer. Here is 2000. Okay. Next, if year is perfectly divisible by 4, equal say perfect divisible by 4 and else not divisible by 4, it's directly is leap year. Not a leap year. Okay. Next, inside that 4, if divisible here it is divisible by 4, check the condition. If year is perfectly divisible by 400, then it's a leap year. Leap year. Okay. Next condition, if it is divisible by 400, if not if else if year not divisible by 100, not equal to 0, then it's leap year. Leap year. Okay. Both condition is satisfied. There is else condition. This condition is not a leap year. This 2000 is a leap year. 2100 not a leap year. Next 2016 is a leap year. Okay. Next to 2020 divisible by 4, not divisible by 400, not divisible by 100. It's a leap year. Okay. Next to 1900, not a leap year. Okay. This is a leap year program.